Hello everyone, I am Ambika Patil, student of Mavli Group of Institution, College of Engineering and Technology, Sheka. I am from 3rd year CSC department. Our college has given us training such as aptitude, soft skill that will enhance our communication skills, reasoning and logical thinking. But for technical training, our college has also given us RS Softtecs Training. I am grateful that they had arranged such an amazing training. I must say that the RS Softtecs is beyond imagination and expectations. RS Softtecs Training not only teaches but it also gives the knowledge, idea about the corporate world. I am thankful to our TNPA coordinators, our college, Rahul sir, Dattatreya sir and Yuvraj sir that they had teach us in such an amazing way and easy way. Before RS, I was not confident that I will learn C languages in such an easy way. But now I am confident. I have boosted my confidence that I can learn C language in such an easy way. Thank you.